Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 1. Express 3.0084 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 in ordinary form. A 0.00300084, B 0.00030084, C 0.030084, and D 0.30084. So we have to express this number 3.0084 times 10 to the power minus 3 in ordinary form. Now this number is expressed in what? Is expressed in standard form. The number 3.0084 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 is in standard form. We call it standard form. Standard form is a way in which what large numbers or very small numbers are expressed. You express them easily using the standard form. Now this number has been expressed in standard form and we are asked to express it back to the ordinary form, that is to the ordinary form which it should be. Now the number is 3.0084 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. Now the thing we are going to consider is this: what 10 raised to the power of minus 3 is our main concentration here. 10 raised to the power of minus 3 here means that what this decimal point is not in the right place. It means that the decimal point is not what where it's supposed to be if you have to express this in a ordinary form. And because this is a negative, that is, because this 10 is raised to the power of a negative number, it means that this negative sign will move what 3 places to your left. When you have a standard form and you have that the number is multiplied by 10 raised to the power of a negative number, now that negative means that if you want to express this number in an ordinary form, you move what the negative was the decimal points towards the left. But if your 10 is raised to the power of a positive number, it means that you move the decimal points to the right, and then the number which is the power of the 10 determines the number of times this decimal point is moved. Now here we have 3.0084 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, meaning that we are going to move our decimal points here 3 places to the left because it is minus 3. So we are moving 3 places to the left. So therefore we have 3.0084. Now we are moving our decimal points 3 places to the left. This decimal point here, so we have 1, 2, 3. Now this is decimal points and then put your 0. Now here we have 0 and here we have 0. So therefore we have 0.00300084 in ordinary form. Now this is the ordinary form. You can see that the number is a very small number, and that's why we usually express them in standard form. Now let's check our option and look at which of these options corresponds to our answer. Option A here says 0.00300084, and what that will correspond to our answer. So therefore option A here is the correct answer. The others are wrong. This is wrong, this is wrong, and this is also wrong. So A is the correct answer. Thank you very much. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 2. Convert 10 from base 2 to a number in base 10. A 10, B 20, C 28, and D 30. So we're given a number which is on base 2, 10100 in base 2, and we have to convert this number to a number in base 10. So the number is 10100 in base 2, and we have to convert it to base 10. Now for us to convert any number to base 10, we must understand the principle, because you can actually convert from any base to base 10, and for you to convert from any base to base 10, there's a particular method of calculation you need to follow. Now for us to do this, we are given a number in base 2. So for us to calculate or to convert this number to base 10, we must ensure that we give each of this number a power. And when you're giving them power, you start with what? With 0. Now when you want to give this power starting from 0, you start from your what? From your right hand side. Now you see this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side, so you start from your what? From your right hand side. And like I said you start with what? With 0. So the power here will be raised to the power of 0, then here raised to the power of 1, here will be raised to the power of 2, here 3, and here 4. Here is 4. So now we have what? 1 raised to the power of 4, 0 raised to the power of 3, 1 raised to the power of 2, 0 raised to the power of 1, and 0 raised to the power of 0 in base 2. Now to convert to base 10, we now multiply what? Each of this number by their base raised to the power of what? The powers each of them are carrying. Now what do I mean? We have 1 here. Let's start with this one. So we say 1 multiplied by what? Its base, which is 2, raised to the power it's carrying, which is what? 4. You can understand now. It's what I'm saying. Now we have plus 0 multiplied by what? Its base, which is base 2, and the power, the 2 raised to the power of its power, which is what? 3, which is 3. Now we come to what? 1 plus 1 multiplied by the base 2 raised to the power of what? 2, plus 0 multiplied by the base 2 raised to the power of 1, and the last 0 plus 0 multiplied by what? The base 2 raised to the power of 0. Now let's continue. So from here we have that 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4, and that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4, times 2 will give us 8, and times 2 will give us 16. So we have 16 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3. That's 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. That is 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2, sorry, and which is what? 4, plus 0 multiplied by 2, which is raised to the power of 1, and plus what? 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. Now from here we have what? 1 times 16 to give us 16, plus 0 times 8, like we're going to multiply by 0 will give us 0, plus 1 times 4 will give us 4, plus 0 times 2 will give us 0, and 0 times 1 will give us 0. So from this we have that our answer is what? 16 plus 0 is 16, plus 4, 20, plus 0, 20, plus 0, 20. So our answer is 20 in base 10. 20 in base 10. Now from the options here, option B corresponds to our answer, which is 20. So 101002, a number in base 2, is equivalent to 20 in base 10. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 3. Simplify 1 over 3 into brackets 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, close brackets, minus 1 over 3 into brackets 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, close brackets. Option A says minus 1 over 9, B says minus 1 over 18, and C says 1 over 18, and D says 1 over 9. So we have to simplify this. Now this is given to us in fraction. This is a fraction. That's asked to simplify this word. This fraction. This is a fraction. Now let's divide our working space into 2 to have enough space. Now we have two different words. We have two different parts here now. This is the first part, and this is the second part. So we'll deal with these parts individually, because after dealing with the parts, then we merge them together. We have 1 all over 3 into brackets 1 over 2 minus 1 all over 3, close brackets, minus 1 over 3 into brackets 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, close brackets. Now let's pick this first part. The first part here, we have that 1 all over 3 into brackets 1 over 2 minus 1 all over 3, close brackets. That's the first part. Now let's deal with this brackets first of all. So in the brackets we have that 1 all over 3. In the bracket we have that 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, and for us to carry out our subtraction of fraction, we must look for an LCM, that is the lowest common multiple of the denominator. and the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 will be 6. 2 times 3 will give us 6, so the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 will be 6. So therefore we have what? We have 6. And so we say 2 in 6 will give us what? Will give us 3. That is 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 3 times 1 here will give us 3. So we have 3 minus 3 in 6 will give us 2. 2 times 1 here will give us 2. You understand? So here now we have that what? 3 minus 2. So we have 1 over 3 into brackets what? 3 minus 2 will give us 1. 1 over 6. 1 over 6. So now when we multiply this 1 over 3 by 1 over 6, now we have that what? 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 6, because 3 minus 2 here will give us 1, so 1 over 6. So 1 over 3 now into brackets of what? 1 over 6. That means 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 6. This will give us what? 1 times 1 here will give us 1, and 3 times 6, the denominator minus multiplied by denominator, will give us 18. So therefore we have what? From here we have, this will give us 1 over 18. That's for the first part, 1 over 18. Now let's go to the next part. This is the second part. The second part we have minus 1 all over 3 into brackets 1 over 3 minus 1 all over 2. Now let's open the brackets first of all. So we have minus 1 over 3 into brackets. Now the denominator for 3 and 2 is also 6. So we pick 6. 3 we go into 6 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 1 will give us 2. And 2 we go into 6 what? 3 times. 3 times 1 will give us 3. So we have 2 minus 3. Close bracket. And this is equal to, this is the same thing as saying what? Minus 1 all over 3 into brackets 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1. So minus 1 all over 6. So here now we have that what? Minus 1 over 3 into brackets minus 1 over 6. And this is the same thing as saying that what? Minus 1 over 3 multiplied by minus 1 all over 6. And like we know, negative times negative, minus 1 times minus 1 will give us positive. So therefore minus 1 times minus 1 will give us what? Positive 1. And then 3 times what? 6 will give us 18. So we have a positive what? Positive 1 over 18. Now we now merge these two together. Remember it was together, so we are merging these two together now. Now we merging these two together simply says what? Our 1 over 18, this first one here, 1 over 18 plus 1 over 18. Remember this sign changes to plus. Remember it was negative that was here. Negative was here initially, remember. But afterwards, simplifying this second part, including the negative sign changed towards positive, and that's why we're having positive here. Please take note. This negative sign here, because negative times negative will always give us positive. That's why we have positive here. So 1 over 18 plus 1 over 18 is equal to, since the denominators are the same, we have what? 18. 18 in 18 is 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1 plus 18 in 18 is 1. 1 times 1 will give us 1. So this is equals to what? 2 over 18. And like you know, 2 over 18 is not in the simplest form. So to break this down in the simplest form, 2 can go into 2 once, and 2 will go into 18 what? 9 times. So our final answer is equals to what? 1 all over 9. So our final answer is 1 all over 9. It's our final answer. Now let's check this option. Which of these corresponds to our answer? A says minus 1 over 9, which is wrong. B says minus 1 over 18, it is wrong. C says 1 over 18, it is wrong. And D says 1 over 9, which is correct. So our correct answer is D, 1 over 9. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, Question 4. Expand 2a plus b in brackets into a minus b in another bracket. A, we have 2a square minus ab minus b square. B, we have 2a square minus b square. C, we have 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. And D, we have 2a square plus ab minus b square. So we're given this algebra and we are to what? Expand this algebra. Now we have 2a plus b in brackets into a minus b in another bracket. Now for us to expand this algebra, it means that we are multiplying the content of bracket A times what? The content of bracket B. And now for us to do this, we multiply what? We pick each of this and multiply what? This. Now what do I mean? So here now we have that what? By doing this, expanding this, we have 2a into a minus b, then plus b into a minus b. Now let's continue. 2a multiplied by a here will give us 2a square minus 2a times minus b will give us what? Minus 2ab. So you have 2 minus 2ab here, then plus b multiplied by a will give us what? Plus ab plus ab, and then plus b multiplied by minus b will give us what? Minus b square. Remember, minus times positive, we always give you minus. So you have minus b square. So now we have 2a square minus 2ab plus ab minus b square. Now let's look at this and collect like terms. Here we have what? 2a square. Now we have minus 2ab plus ab. You see that these are like them, and here we have what? Minus 2, and here we have plus 1. This is something as saying what? Minus 2 plus 1 is the same thing as saying minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will give us minus 1. So that is what? Minus AB. Because we have minus 2AB here plus AB. So it will give us minus AB. Then minus B square. So this is the what? Expansion of this 2A plus B in brackets into A minus B in another bracket. So this is the expansion. Now which of these corresponds to our answer, this option? Option A here says 2a square minus ab minus b square. Yes, this is the correct answer. It corresponds to our answer. B here says 2a square minus b square, which is wrong. C here says 2a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is wrong. And D here says 2a square plus ab minus b square, which is wrong. So our final answer is A. A is the answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, Question 7. Find the sum of 81 raised to the power of half, that's 1 over 2, and 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2. We have to find the sum of these numbers. A here we have 9, B we have 12, C 21, and D 36. So we have to find the sum of 81 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now this question is just a question from what? From indices. And like we know, one of the law of indices says that when you have x raised to the power of half, this is equal to what? The same as the square root of x. It's the same as the square root of x. So when you have a number raised to the power of half, 1 over 2, it simply means what? The square root of that number. Now we have 81 raised to the power of 1 over 2. This simply means what? The square root of 81 plus 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2. The square root of what? Of 144. The square root of 144. Now, the square root of 81, like we know, is 9. 9 times 9 will give us 81. So the square root of 81 is 9. Plus, now the square root of 144 is 12. Like we know, 12 times 12 will give us 144. So the square root of 144 is 12. Now when we sum these results together, 9, which is the square root of 81, plus 12, which is the square root of 144, we are going to get what? 21 as our answer. Remember, I say from the law of indices, it says that when a number is raised to the power of 1 over 2, it simply means what? The square root of that number. And so therefore, 81 raised to the power of 1 over 2 simply means what? Square root of 81. And 144 raised to the power of 1 over 2 simply means square root of 144. Square root of 81 will give us 9. Square root of 144 will give us 12. And when we sum this up, we have 21. Now from our option here, A says what? 9, which is wrong. B says 12, which is wrong. C says 21, which is correct. And D says 36, which is wrong. So our answer to this question is C, 21. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos. good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 11. In the diagram below, AB and CD are two intersecting straight lines. Find the value of angle marked Y. A 130 degree, B 115 degree, C 65 degree, and D 60 degree. Now we are given two straight lines, line AB and line CD, and this line intersects each other. Now we are asked to find the value of what? The angle marked Y. This is the angle marked Y which we are looking for. This is the angle marked Y. Now to find this angle marked Y, we have a line like this. The line AB is like this now. A, B. Now we have another one like this, intersecting it. So we call this line what? Line C, D. Now we have to find what? Angle Y, which is this angle. And this angle here is what? 65 degree. Now let's take this thing, look at this thing critically. This angle, this line AB is what? Is a straight line. Line AB is a straight line, and like we know, angle on a straight line is equals to what? Is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Now if you look at it, line AB is a what? Is a typical example of a straight line. Like the question told us, a straight line. Now we have two angles on this line, on this straight line. Therefore, when you sum these two angles together, it must give you what? 180 degree. Now, one of these angles is known, which is 65 degree, but the other is unknown, which is Y. So therefore, to find Y, what do we say? We say 65 degree plus Y will give us what? Is equal to 180, because it's angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is equal to what? 180 degree. So therefore, to solve this, what do we say? We say what? 65 degree plus Y is equal to 180. Now Y is equals to what? 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65. Therefore Y will be equals to what? 115 degree. So therefore the answer to this question is 115 degree. Now from the option here, option B corresponds to our answer, 115 degree. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 18. The reciprocal of 4.5 is dash. The reciprocal of 4.5 is dash. A 1/9, B 9/2, C 2/9, and D 9. So we are asked to find the reciprocal of 4 whole number 1/2. Now this here is a mixed number. We call it a mixed number because it has a whole number part, which is 4. The whole number part is 4 plus the fractional part, which is 1/2. But for us to find the reciprocal of this number, we have to convert this number to an improper fraction. So we convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. Therefore we have that what? To convert to an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number part, which is 4, by the denominator of this fractional part, which is 2, and also divide it by 2. Now what do I mean? We multiply 4 times the denominator of the fractional part, which is 2, and also divide it by the denominator, which is 2, then plus the fractional part, 1/2. Now this will give us what? This will give us 8/2 plus 1/2. Now because they have the same denominator, we'll have that what? 8 plus 1, and this is equal to 9/2. But this is not where we are going to. The question asks us for the reciprocal of 4.5, that is the reciprocal of 9/2. Now reciprocal here simply means what? Dividing the 1 by the number. To find the reciprocal of any number, if you are given a number x, the reciprocal of x is equal to 1/x. You understand? Now if you are given a number 1/x, the reciprocal of 1/x is equals to 1/1/x. So this is the principle we're going to be applying. Now we have 4.5, which is equal to what? 9 over 2. Now the reciprocal of 9 over 2, reciprocal of 9 over 2 will be equal to what? 1 all over 9 all over 2. And that is, this is equal to what? 1 divided by 9 over 2. And like you know, in terms of division of fraction, you change the division sign to multiplication sign, and we are changing it to multiplication sign. Your denominator here will become the numerator, and the numerator will become the denominator. So here now we have that what? 1 times 2 all over 9, and 1 times 2 all over 9 is the same thing as saying what? 2 all over 9, which is our final answer. So therefore, the reciprocal of 4.5, which is equivalent to 9 over 2, is 2 over 9, after dividing 1 by 8. Now let's go to our option and check which of this option corresponds to our answer. A here says 1 over 9, which is wrong. B says 9 over 2, which is wrong. C says 2 over 9, which is correct. And D says 9, which is wrong. So therefore, our answer is C, 2 over 9. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 19. The LCM of 2, 3 and 8 is dash. A 48, B 38, C 24 and D 14. So we have to find the LCM of the following set of numbers, which is 2, 3 and 8. Now LCM simply means what? Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. That's the full meaning of LCM. Now, like you know, multiple of numbers simply means what? That is like the product of that number. Let's say, for instance, you have a number 2. Multiples of 2 simply means what? The result of the product of 2. Like when you have 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, you say what? 4 is the product of what? 2. That is a multiple of 2. Now we are looking for the common multiple. Common multiple simply refers to what? The multiple or a number which is a multiple of 2, also a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 8. That is, this number is a multiple of all these numbers. And then lowest common multiple simply refers to what? The lowest out of the multiple, out of the number which is a multiple of these given numbers. And now for us to what? Find the LCM of a given set of numbers, we have what? 2 rules. First, number 1 is that what? You express these numbers, these given numbers, as products of what? Prime factors. Express the numbers as product of prime factors. Then 2, you now what? You now find the what? Find the product of all the prime factors in what? In this expression. So you find the product of all prime factors. Now let's start. Number 1, so we should express them what? As a product of prime factors. The first number given to us here is 2. Now to express 2 as a product of its prime factors, we start with the word lowest prime number. I know prime numbers are numbers with what? With just 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Now 2 is the lowest prime number. We start from 2, and 2 we go into 2 once, so we just have 2 here. The next number is what? Is 3. Now the lowest prime number is 2, but 2 cannot go into 3, so we move to the next prime number, which is 3. Now 3 will go into 3 what? Once, so we therefore have what? 3. And the next number is what? 8. Now we start with the lowest prime number as usual, which is 2. 2 into 8 will give us what? Will give us 4, so we put down 2. Now we have what? We are left with 4. 2 into 4, it can still go. We give us what? 2. We write down the 2 again, times. Now 2 into 2 will give us 1, so we put down the 2. Now let's what? Let's take the second step now, which is what? Find the product of all the what? Prime factors. Now, when you are finding the product of all prime factors, note there is no room for what? For repetition. That is, if you have a prime factor here and that prime factor is also in any of the prime factors of any other number, you do not have to what? To repeat it. Remember, we are looking for the what? We are looking for the lowest product. That's what we call the LCM. So we are finding the lowest product, the LCM, the lowest common multiple. So therefore, LCM now will be equal to what? It will be equal to 2 multiplied by what? The 3. Now normally you will say what? Multiply by this 2, but no, because this 2 is already present here. So we move to the next 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and this will give us what? Now we have 2 times 3 to give us 6, 6 times 2 to give us 12, and 12 times 2 to give us 24. So therefore, the LCM of 2, 3, and 8 is 24. That is, the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 8 is 24. From the option here, option C corresponds to our answer, which says what? 24. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 20. If P is directly proportional to Q, that is, P varies directly to Q, and P is equal to 2 while Q is equal to 8, find the relationship between P and Q. Q is equal to 1 over 4 P, and P is equal to 4Q. P is equal to C says P is equal to Q over 4, and this is P is equal to 3Q all over 4. Now we're given a what? Direct variation. We're giving a direct variation here. Direct variation. We're told that what? P varies what? Directly with Q. P varies directly with Q. Now this is a what? Proportionality sign, and for us to continue with our solving, we have to change this proportionality sign into an equation sign, and by doing that we introduce our constant. Now let the constant be K. Let the constant be K. We introduce our constant K. So therefore we have that P is equal to KQ. Now if we introduce our constant and our what? Equation sign. Now this constant here is unknown. P we don't know and Q we don't know, but we are trying to find the relationship between P and Q. Therefore we must find what these constants mean. Finding the constant will enable us to establish the relationship between P and Q. Remember, P is directly proportional to Q, meaning when there's an increase in P, there will be an increase in Q, and when there's a decrease in P, there will be a decrease in Q. But we have to find what? This Q, this K here, the constant, to establish the relationship. Now, in order to find K, we're given that P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 8. So therefore we have that what? 2 is equal to 8K. 2 is equal to 8K. That is, Q is 8, so K times 8 will give us 8K. So from here we have that what? 8K is equal to 2. Now to find K, we divide both sides by the coefficient of K, which is 8. And so therefore 8 here, we cancel 8. We have K is equal to what? 2 here 1, 2 here 4. K is equal to 1 over 4. K is equal to 1 over 4. Now we've gotten our constant to be what? 1 over 4. Now to establish the relationship, we come back to this what? To this expression here that says P is equal to KQ. Now we've known our K to be 1 over 4. Therefore we say P is equal to what? 1 all over 4 times Q, and that is P is equal to Q all over 4. So the relationship between P and Q is that P is equals to Q all over 4. Q all over 4. Now from the options given above, which of these options correspond to our answer, which is P is equals to Q over 4? Now option A says Q is equals to 1 over 4P, which is wrong. B says P is equals to 4Q, which is wrong, and C says P is equals to Q over 4, which is correct. D here is wrong. So therefore, our correct answer is C. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 21. Which of the following number is a perfect square? A 99, B 48, C 40 and D 36. We are asked to select an option which is a perfect square. Now you have to understand the meaning of perfect square for you to pick any option here. Now perfect square is simply a number. Perfect square is simply a number which is the square of another number in the number system. So perfect square what is a number which is the square of another number in the number system. Take for instance, now let me give an instance. I have what? I have 2. Now 2 is a number in the number system. Now the square of 2 will give me what? Will give me 4. Therefore I say 4 is what? Is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. Why? Because what? It is the square of a number in what? In the number system. That is the square of 2. Now the question says you should find which of the following is a perfect square. Now A here says 99, and in the number system there is no number you can what? You can take the square that will give you 99. No number. Now the closest number to this 99 is what? The closest number to this 99, which is a square, is 100, and 100 is a perfect square of what? Of 10. You can see now. So 99 is not a perfect square. Now B here says 48. Also 48 is not a perfect square because 48 is not a square of any number in the number system at all. It's not. The closest to 48, which is a perfect square, is 49, and 49 is a square of what? 7. So 48 is wrong. Now C says what? 40. Also 40 is not a perfect square. 40 is not a perfect square because it's not the square of any number in the number system. Now D here says 36. Now 36, let's see. 36 is what? Is a perfect square. 36 is the square of what? 6. 6 times 6, it will give us what? It will give us 36. And 6 is what? Is a number in the number system. Therefore 36 is equals to what? 6 square. When you square 6, you get 36. So therefore 36 is a perfect square. So our answer is D, 36. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 22. The angles in a quadrilateral are in ratio 1:2:3:4. What is the value of the smallest angle? A 36, B 45, C 46 and D 35. Now I want you to understand that quadrilateral is a polygon with what? With 4 sides. A polygon with 4 sides is a quadrilateral, and since quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, it has what? 4 angles. There are 4 angles in the quadrilateral, and that is why you have the angles in 1:2:3:4. If you count them, you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are asked to find the smallest angle, and the total sum of interior angle, that is sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral, sum of interior angle of quadrilateral Q is equal to 360 degree. That is the total sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral are what? Is 360 degree. Now we have the ratio 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and like you know, ratio is just a simple way of what? Expressing fraction. Now the total of this ratio is what? The total ratio is equals to what? Now we add all this together. 1 plus 2 will give us what? 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6, and 6 plus 4 will give us 10. So the total number of ratio is what? Is 10. Now the smallest angle is what? The smallest angle is 1. Out of this ratio, the smallest angle is 1. So smallest angle of the quadrilateral is equals to what? 1. Now to find what? To find the angle, that is to find the smallest angle, since we know that the total sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360, what happens? We divide what? This 1 over that, we take 1 over 10. You know, out of this 10 now, this 10 here is a whole that stands for what? That stands for this in sum of interior angles. Remember, ratio is another way of expressing a fraction, and this smallest angle here simply means what? 1 over 10. The smallest angle is just a simple meaning of what? 1 over 10. If you go to the next angle will be 2 over 10. Now to find the what? This smallest angle, we multiply what? 360, which is the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral, by this 1 over 10, which is the what? Which is the portion of the smallest angle. That is, the portion of the smallest angle in 360 is 1 over 10 of 360. So therefore we have that what? The smallest angle is given as 1 all over 10 multiplied by 360, which is the total sum of the what? Interior angles in a quadrilateral. And this is equal to what? 360 all over 10, because 1 times 360 will give us 360. Now 360 divided by 10 will give us what? 36. So therefore our smallest angle of a quadrilateral is 36. Now which of this option corresponds to our answer? Option A says 36, which is correct, it corresponds. B says 45, wrong. D says 46, wrong. And D says what? 35, wrong. So our correct answer is A, 36. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 23. Solve the pair of the following equation for x and y. Solve the pair of the following equation for x and y. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. Then 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. A, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. B, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. C, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. And D, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. So we have to solve for the pair of the following equation for y, x and y. X and y are the unknown, and we're given a simultaneous equation. Now, simultaneous equation simply means what? Equation whereby you get the value of x and y at the same time. That's what that simultaneous simply represents. So the first equation here given to us, let's divide our page into 2 so we can have enough space. Trying to divide the page into 2. So the first equation we have here is what? 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. This is the first equation. And the second equation says 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is the second equation. Now, these are the two giving what? Simultaneous equation. Now, from this is equation 2 here. Equation 2. Equation 1 says 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 1. And equation 2 says 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. From equation 2 now, from equation 2, we can have that y is equal to what? 4. Y is equals to 4 plus 2x. or we can say y is equals to 2x plus 4. Now, how do I come about y is equals to 4 plus 2x? Now, this is y, it's negative here. If you bring y to the right hand side, remember the principle, when you're taking anything from one side of the equation to another side, the sign will change. Now, bringing y from here to this place will make it what? Positive, and taking minus 4 here will make it what? Positive also. So we have 2x plus 4 here and plus y here. That's why I have y is equals to 4 plus 2x or 2x plus 4. So let's call this equation 3. Now we have that y is equal to 4 plus 2x. Now let's substitute 4 plus 2x for y in equation 1. That is, substitute 4 plus 2x for y in equation 1. So therefore, wherever we see y in equation 1, you put what? 4 plus 2x. Now we have that 3x minus 4. Remember, now we're having y, so we put what? 4 plus 2x is equal to minus 1. So we have 3x. Now we open this bracket. By opening the bracket, we multiply the content of this bracket by this minus 4 here. So minus 4 times 4 will give us what? Minus 16. Minus 4 times plus 2x will give us what? Minus 8x. Remember, minus times positive will give us minus. Is equal to minus 1. So now to collect like terms, this minus 16 will come to the right hand side, changing to positive here. We have that what? 3x minus 8x is equal to what? 16 now minus 1. So here we now have what? 3x minus 8x will give us what? Minus 5x is equal to 16 minus 1 will give us 15. Now to get x, we divide both sides by minus 5, which is the coefficient of x, by minus 5. Now minus 5 here, minus 5 will give us x, and then 15 divided by minus 5. Remember, 15 here, 5 here is 1, and 5 here is what? Is 3. But because of the negative sign, our answer will be a negative answer, which is what? Minus 3. So x is equals to what? Minus 3. Now we've gotten our x, and that's how we say this is a simultaneous equation, because you finding x simply means you've gotten y. Now how? We've gotten x to be minus 3. Simply, from equation 3, we can find our y. Y is equals to 4 plus 2x. That is 4 plus 2 times x, and x is minus 3. So therefore, we can say y, let me come here, is equal to what? That's from equation 3 now. We can say y is equals to 4 plus 2 times minus 3. 2 times minus 3, which is the x. And this is equals to what? 4 plus, now 2 times minus 3 will give us what? Minus 6. 4 plus minus 6. And you know, plus times minus will give us minus. So we are having what? 4 minus 6. And this is equals to what? Minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. Now, our solution is that x is equal to minus 3. You can see from here we got minus 3. And y is equals to what? Minus 2. Look at it. Minus 2. Now, which of these options corresponds to our answer? A says x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2. Wrong. B says x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 2. Wrong. C says x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3. Wrong. And D says x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to minus 2. Very correct. So our answer is D. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 24. Factorize 5x squared minus 20 completely. A, 5 into x squared minus 4. B, 5 into x squared plus 4. C, 5 into x minus 2 also into x plus 2. And D, 5x open bracket x minus 2 close bracket open bracket x plus 2. So we have to simplify and we have to factorize. Now listen to the instruction. It says what? Factorize completely, that is to the lowest. Now we're giving what? We're giving 5x squared minus 20. 5x squared minus 20. Now, to begin our factorization, looking at 5x squared and 20, you know that 5 is a common factor of these two figures here. 5 is a common factor because 5 can go into 5x squared and at the same time go into what? 20. So therefore we say 5 into x squared minus 4. Like we know, 20 divided by 5 will give us what? 4. 5 times minus 4 will give us minus 20. 5 times x squared will give us what? 5x squared. I believe you understand what I just did here. So I just simply factorize this. 5 will go into 5x squared. Look at it. 5 times 5x x squared will give us 5x squared, and 5 will go into what? Minus 20 minus 4 times. So we have minus 4 here. I believe you understand. Now looking at this, these two here in the brackets are what? Are perfect squares. You have x squared here and you have 4. 4 is a perfect square of 2. So we can also what? Simplify this here. We can simplify this here. So therefore we have that what? 5 into, now we want to deal with the what? We want to deal with the simplification of x squared minus 4. We have to factorize x squared minus 4. Now let me come here and do the factorization of what? X squared minus 4. X squared minus 4. Now, like I said, I see x squared here simply means what? Simply means the square of x, and 4 here is what? Is a perfect square of the number 2. 4 is the perfect square of the number 2. And to continue our factorization, we have to take note of the sign that is here. Remember, we have a negative sign here. So this is same thing as saying what? X in brackets minus 2 close brackets into another bracket x plus 2. Now what we just did here is just simply what? Factorization of x squared minus 4. Now let us check. Let's what? Check. X times x here will give us what? X times x here will give us x square. You see? Now x times plus 2 here will give us what? Plus 2x. Now minus 2 times x here will give us what? Minus 2x. And minus 2 times plus 2 will give us what? Minus 4. Now plus 2x minus 2x will give us 0. So we have what? X squared minus 4. You can see now. So the factorization of x squared minus 4 is x minus 2 into what? X plus 2. Because you're having a negative sign here, we have to change what? Alternate this negative these signs. We have to have a negative and a positive sign, because if you have just negative and negative, remember negative times negative will always give us positive, and we will not get what the answer to this. When we check, we won't get this. And if you put it plus plus, you won't get this or negative. So whenever you have a negative sign like this and you are trying to factorize perfect squares, you must what? Change this word sign into minus and positive plus, so that when you carry out your multiplication, you can have what? You can have your expression back as we have here, x squared minus 4. So therefore the factorization of x squared minus 4 is simply what? X minus 2 x plus 2. So therefore we say what? 5 into x minus 2 close brackets x plus 2. Now this is the final answer. We've completely what? Factorized this. We've completely factorized this. Now which of the options here correspond to our answer? Option A says f5 open brackets x minus 4, x squared minus 4 is wrong. B says 5 into x squared plus 4 is wrong. B says 5 into x minus 2 into what? X plus 2. This is very correct. And this says 5x into x minus 2 and into x plus 2, which is wrong. So our correct answer to this question is option C. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 26. Find the area of a square if its perimeter is 28. A. 748 centimeters square. B. 196 centimeters square. C. 49 centimeters square. And D. 14 centimeters square. So we're to find the area of a square with perimeter 28 cm. Now let me take a diagram of the square. Like we know, a square is a polygon in which all sides are equal, and that is, all the angles are equal. So all sides of a square are equal. That is, the length here is the same as the length here, which is the same as this and the same as this. Now we're given that the perimeter of this square is 28. Let the perimeter be P. That is, P, the perimeter, is equals to 28 cm. And like we know, perimeter simply means what? The addition of what? Of all the boundaries of the square. So perimeter simply means what? P simply means L plus L plus L plus L. And this is equals to 4L. That is the addition, the sum of the entire boundary, the length of the square. So 4L. And we have that perimeter is equals to what? 28 cm. Meaning that what? 4L is equals to what? 28. Now L, which is the length, now is be equals to what? 28 all over 4, and this is equals to what? 7 cm. So each of the sides of this square is 7 centimeter. Remember, the perimeter is 28 centimeter, and the perimeter is the sum of the what? Of the length of each side of the square. And since perimeter is equal to 28 cm and perimeter is equals to 4L, we now see what? 4L is equal to 28, and from there we got that L is equal to 7 centimeter. Now the question says we should find the area of this square. Since we've gotten the perimeter of the square, we get given to be 28, and we've derived that our L, the length of each side, is 7. And remember, the length of a square, that is of each side, is equal. We can now see that the area of a square is given as what? L square, which is what? L times L, and we have L to be 7 centimeters. So therefore area of the square is equals to 7 times 7, and 7 times 7 is equals to 49. Then the unit is in square, centimeter square. So our answer is what? 49 centimeters square. Now option A says 748, which is wrong. B says 196 centimeters square, which is wrong. C says 49 centimeters square, very correct. And D says 14 centimeters square, very wrong. So the answer to this question is C, 49 centimeters square. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 27. Calculate the circumference of a circle whose radius is 3.5. A. 22 centimeter, B. 44 centimeter, C. 49 centimeter, and D. 66 centimeter. So we have to calculate the circumference of a circle with radius 3.5 cm. 3.5 cm. Now we have a circle like this. This is a circle, and then the radius of the circle is given to be what? 3.5. Now I have to find the circumference, this circumference of the circle. Now circumference of a circle is given as 2 pi r. That is 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius of the circle. And pi is equal to 22 over 7, and r, which is our radius, is given to us as what? 3 whole number 1 over 2. Now let's convert this to an improper fraction. Remember, this is a mixed number. So to an improper fraction, we have what? 3 times 2 all over 2 plus 1 all over 2, and this is equals to what? 2, 6 plus 1. That is 3 times 2 to give us 6, and what? Over plus 1. Remember, they have the same denominator. So r is equals to what? 7 all over 2. So 3.5 is equivalent to 7/2. Now let's come back to our calculation. Now the circumference is now equal to 2 multiplied by what? Our pi is what? 22/7 is a constant. Then multiply by r, which is what? 7/2. Now let's cancel. This 7 here, we cancel this 7. And this 2 here, we cancel this 2. We are left with what? This 22 here. So therefore, circumference of this circle is equal to 22 centimeter. Now from the options given here, option A corresponds to our answer, which is what? 22 centimeter. The rest are wrong. So our correct answer to this question is 22 cm. Remember, the formula is 2 pi r, and you can see how we apply the formula. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 28. How many lines of symmetry has an isosceles triangle? A 4, B 3, C 2, and D 1. So we are asked for the number of lines of symmetry an isosceles triangle have. Now, like we know, we have various types of triangle, and this isosceles triangle is simply a type of triangle in which two sides are equal. That is, two sides of this triangle is equal. That is, here and here are equal. So for an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Now, line of symmetry is just simply the line that divides a plane shape into two equal halves. That is, line that divides a plane shape into two equal halves. That is line of symmetry. Now, for an isosceles triangle which has two sides equal, you can only have one line of symmetry that divides it into two equal halves, because line of symmetry is a line that divides it into two equal halves. Now, for an isosceles triangle, this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. You can see here is equal to this place. So an isosceles triangle, we have only what? One line of symmetry, and that is what? D. So D is our answer, 1. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 29. Calculate the volume of the cylinder given below. Now this is the cylinder given below. A 1083 centimeter cube, B 2253 centimeter cube, C 2310 centimeter cube, and D 3310 centimeter cube. Now we have to calculate what? The volume of this given cylinder. Now this cylinder, this is the height of the cylinder from here to here, and the height is given to be what? The height is given to be 15 centimeter. That is, h is equals to 15 centimeter. And then we are given the radius. The radius, which is what? 7 centimeter. R is equals to what? 7 centimeter. But we are asked to find the volume of this cylinder. Now, the formula for calculating the volume of a cylinder is equal to, that's volume of cylinder is equal to what? Pi r square h. That is the area of a circle. You know, if you look at it, the surface of a cylinder, that is this top surface here, is like a circle. Now the area of this circle multiplied by the height of this cylinder will give us its volume. Now imagine you dividing each cylinder into what? Into circles, into tiny circles, into tiny circle. Now when you add these circles together, what happens? It gives you the complete cylinder. Now adding this cylinder and these circles together will give you what? The height of the cylinder. Then the height now multiplied by the what? By the area of each circle gives us what? It gives us the volume of the cylinder. So therefore we have that the volume of the cylinder V is equal to what? Pi is 22 all over 7 multiplied by 7, 7 square, r square, that's 7 square, then multiply by 15. So this is equal to 22 all over 7 multiplied by 7 times 7, which is 7 square, times 15. Now this 7 here, we cancel this 7, so we have that V is equals to what? V is equals to 22 times 7 times 15, and this is equals to what? 2310 centimeter cube. So this is the answer to this question, 2310 centimeter cube. Now from the option A says 1083 centimeter cube, which is wrong. B says 2253 centimeter cube, which is wrong. C says 2310 centimeter cube, very correct. And D says 3310 centimeter cube, which is wrong. So the answer to this question is C, option C. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 30. Calculate the area of the trapezium below. Now we're given a trapezium and we're to find the area of this trapezium. The options are A 360 centimeters square, B 256 centimeters square, C 180 centimeters square, and D 120 centimeters square. Now this is a trapezium given to us, and we know that the formula for finding the area of a trapezium, area of trapezium, is equal to what? Half multiplied by A plus B in brackets, close brackets, multiplied by H, which is the height. Now I'll explain what this A, B and H represents. Now this line here is your what? Is your A, and A is equals to what? 9 cm. Now this line point here from here to here represents what? Represent B, and B is equals to what? B is equals to 21 cm. Then the H here is your height, that is 24 cm here. So this is H, which is equal to 24 cm. So the area of trapezium is equals to half times A. Now our A is what? 9 centimeter. So we put 9 plus B. Our B is what? 21 centimeter. So 21 close bracket, then multiply by H, which is the height, and the height is what? 24 cm. So 24. So this is equal to 1 all over 2. 9 plus 21 will give us what? 30. So multiply by 30, multiply by 24. Now this is equals to what? This is equals to 1 times 30 will give us 30, times 24 will give us what? 720 all over what? This 2 all over 2, and this is equals to what? 360 centimeter square. That is 1 times 30 will give us 30, 30 times 24 will give us 720 all over 2, and 720 all over 2 will give us 360 centimeter square. So this is the area of the trapezium. Now from the option, you see that option A corresponds to our answer, which is 360 centimeter square. The other options are wrong, so option A is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 31. How many edges have a keyboard? A 6, B 8, C 12, and D 16. So you are asked for how many edges has a keyboard, and like we know, a keyboard is a what? Is a solid shape. Is a solid shape because it has what? It has depth, it has length, and it has breadth. So we refer to it as a solid shape, not a plane shape. Now for us to find the edges of the keyboard, we must what? Understand what this keyboard actually is by what? Representing it diagrammatically. So I'm going to draw this keyboard diagrammatically. I'm going to express it for us so we understand what a keyboard is. Now this is a keyboard. I'll just give a rough sketch of a keyboard. Now this is a rough sketch of a keyboard. Now this is a keyboard. It is not a what cube. Remember, a cube has all its lengths equal. But if in case of this one, now you saw that the length and the breadth are not equal. So this is a keyboard. Now, for us to find the number of edges, we count what? We count all this. This here is an edge. This is an edge. So therefore, we count what the number of these edges of the keyboard to find what the number of edges possessed by a keyboard. Now let's start with the counting. Here we have what? This will give us 1. Then here we have what? Here we have 2. Here we have 3. Here we have what? 4. Then here we have 5. Then this will give us what? 6. This will give us 7. This will give us 8. This will give us 9. This will give us 10. This will give us 11. And this will give us 12. Now, so therefore, a keyboard has how many what edges? A keyboard has 12 edges. A keyboard has 12 edges. Now these points here are called what? The vertex. But that is not what we are concerned with. We are concerned with what? With the edges, which are these points, these lines that forms what? That forms the keyboard. So therefore, a keyboard has what? 12 edges. Now from the options, option A says 6, which is wrong. B says 8, which is wrong. C says 12, which is correct. And D says 16, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is C, 12. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 32. Calculate the volume of a cube of side 7 cm. The volume of a cube of side 7 cm. Now, options given are A equal to 440 cm cube, B 343 cm cube, C 156 cm cube, and D 49 cm cube. So we have to find the volume of a cube of side 7 cm. And like you know, a cube is a what? Is a solid shape in which all sides are what? Equal. Solid shape with equal sides. A solid shape with equal sides. This is just a diagrammatic expression of a cube. Let me draw a cube here. A cube is just like a solid shape of a square. A solid shape of a square. All sides are equal. All sides. This is just diagrammatic expression of a cube. So here, let's say A is L. It's also equals to here, which is L, also equals to here, which is L, also equal to this place, which is L. So all sides of the what? Of the cube are equal. Now, if it has side 7 cm, it means that all its side is 7 cm. Now, the formula for calculating the volume of a cube, is equal to what? L cube. That is L raised to the power of 3, because all sides are equal. So therefore, this means that what? L times L times L. And this is equal to 7 times 7 times 7. And this will give us 343 centimeter cube. Now from the options, A says 440, which is wrong. B says 343, which is correct, corresponds to our answer. C says 156 centimeter cube, which is wrong. And D says 49, which is wrong. So the correct and final answer to this question is B, 343 centimeter cube. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 33. Find the value of x in the diagram below. Now the diagram given to us is a triangle, and A says 18 degree, B says 105 degree, C says 195 degree, and D says 270 degree. So we have to find the value of x in this diagram. Now this is a triangle which is a plane shape, and this x is given in form of what? An angle. And like we know, the sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And now we're given what? We have three angles here, and these angles are given in respect to x. So therefore when you sum up all these angles, it will give you what? 180 degree. So therefore we have that what? 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x plus 3x plus 5x will give us what? 10x is equal to 180 degree. Now to find x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 10. So 10 here, we cancel 10, we are left with x equal to, and 180 divided by 10 will give us what? 18 degree. So therefore x is equal to 18 degree. Now from our options A says what? 118 degree, which is very correct, which is our answer. The rest are wrong. So 18 degree is the value of x in the diagram below. Remember, x is given what? In respect to degrees, that is representing what? The angles. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 34. A regular polygon has the sum of interior angle as 1080 degree. Find one of the exterior angles. A 105 degree, B 60 degree, C 45 degree, and D 48 degree. So instead, a regular polygon has the sum of interior angles as 180 degree. So the sum of interior angle is equals to 1080 degree. And like we know, the formula for finding the sum of interior angle, is equal to n minus 2 times 180, where n stands for the number of sides of the polygon. And we are given that a regular polygon has the sum of interior angle to be 1080 degree. So 1080 degree is the sum of this interior angle of this polygon. And so for us to know the number of sides of this polygon, we must equate this formula to 1080 degree. So therefore we have that n minus 2 in brackets multiplied by 180 is equal to 1080 degree. So from here we have that 180 will multiply n to give us 180n minus 180 will multiply 2 to give us 360 is equal to 1080 degree. So from here we collect like terms, we have that 180n is equal to 1080 degree plus 360. Now we have that 180n is equal to 1440 degree. So divide both sides by 180 to get the n. Since 180 is the coefficient of n, this 180 becomes 180 here. We have n is equal to, and then 1440 divided by 180 is equal to 8. So our n is equal to 8. That means the number of sides of this polygon is 8, meaning that this polygon is is an octagon. That is, this polygon is an octagon. It has 8 sides. We'll find the number of sides now to be 8. Now another point, sum of exterior angles. sum of exterior angle of any polygon at all is equal to what? 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360. And we are, from the question, we are asked to find what? One of the exterior angles. Now, if the sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, then to find one of the exterior angle, we divide the sum of exterior angle 360 all over the number of sides of this polygon. And since this polygon is an 8-sided polygon, so to find one of the exterior angle, we divide the sum of the exterior angle, which is 360, by 8. So therefore, we say that what? One of exterior angle is equal to what? 360 all over 8. And this will give us what? This will give us 45 degree. 45 degree. So therefore, one of the exterior angle of this regular polygon, which is an octagon, 8-sided polygon, is 45 degree. By dividing 360 by what? By 8. So we have 45 degree. And from the options here, option A says 105 degree, which is wrong. B says 60, which is wrong. C says 45, which is very correct. And D says 48, which is wrong. So our final answer to this question is C, 45 degree. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 35. A triangle in which two of the base angles are equal is called dash. A. Equilateral, B. Isosceles, C. Scaling, and D. Obtuse. Now, we are asked that a triangle which two of the base angles are equal is called dash. Now, like we know, a triangle is a plane shape. A triangle is a plane shape, and we have different types of triangle. Option A here says what? Equilateral triangle. In terms of equilateral triangle is something like this. Now, equilateral triangle has all its sides equal. All the sides are equal, and therefore all its angles are equal. This is equilateral triangle, so it cannot be equilateral triangle, because equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal. But the question says a triangle in which what? Two of the base angles are equal. So it cannot be equilateral, because equilateral triangle, all the bases are equal, all the angles. Now B says what? Isosceles triangle. Now this is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is like this. Now in an isosceles triangle, just two sides are equal. Just two sides are equal. So therefore, the two base angles are also what? Equal. Isosceles. So the two base angles are equal. So they definitely, isosceles triangle what corresponds to the question which says two of the base angles are equal, because isosceles triangle has two sides equal, and also the two base angles are equal. Now C here says what? Scaling triangle. Now in case of a scaling triangle, none of its sides are equal. None of its sides are equal at all. This is scaling. None of its sides are equal. None of its sides are equal. That's a scaling triangle. Then obtuse here is not a triangle. Obtuse is just simply what? An angle, or we call it them obtuse angle. That's when the angle is what? Greater than 90 degree but less than what? Less than 180, something like this. This angle here is an obtuse angle when it is what? Greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now let's go back to the question. The question says a triangle in which two of the base angles are equal. So therefore, it is what? Isosceles triangle, because the two sides of isosceles triangle are equal, therefore the two base angles are equal. So our answer to this question is B, isosceles triangle. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 36. In the diagram below, line PQR is a straight line. Find the angle marked Y. A 90 degree, B 105 degree, C 127 degree, and D 253 degree. Now this is the line is a straight line. Line PQR is a straight line. And like we know, the what? Line PQR is a straight line, and the angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is 180 degree. 180 degree. And remember the option, the question says line PQR is a straight line. It means that what? The sum of all these angles here is equal to what? 180 degree. When you sum up all these angles, it will give you 180 degree. And we have to find angle Y. So that means when you sum up these angles and equate it to 180 degree, you can get Y. So therefore we say 40 plus 50 plus Y is equal to 180. So here you have that what? 40 plus 50 will give us 90 degree plus Y is equal to what? 180. And from here you can see Y is equals to what? 180 minus 90, and this is equals to what? 90 degree. So therefore Y and Y is equal to 90 degree. Y is 90 degree. Now from these options here, option A says 90 degree, which is correct. B says 105 degree, which is wrong. C says 127 degree, which is wrong, and D says 253 degree, which is wrong. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 37. The value of the angle marked theta in the diagram below is dash. Now this is the diagram. We say the angle marked theta in the diagram below is dash. Now this is 150 degree here. Is dash. A 70 degree, B 180 degree, C 180 degree, and D 200 degree. Now this is the diagram. You have 130 degree, 150 degree, and theta. Now this is the point. This is the point. And like we know, angle at a point is what? Angle at a point is what? 360 degree. Angle at a point is 360 degree. Now this point number has been divided, that is the angle at this point 360 degree has been divided into various segments. You have the 150 degree, you have the 130 degree, and the theta. Now we are asked to find this theta here. So to find this theta, we equate all these angles to 360 degree. So therefore we have that theta plus 130 degree plus 150 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now theta plus 280 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now to find theta, you subtract 280 from both sides, and this will give us 360 degree minus 280 degree. And 360 degree minus 280 degree is equal to 80 degree. So therefore theta is equal to 80 degree. Now from the options, option A says 70, which is wrong. B says 80, which is correct. C says 180, which is wrong, and D says 200, which is wrong. So the final answer and the correct answer is B, 80 degree. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 38. Complete the following set of Pythagorean Triple: 5, 12, and dash. A 19, B 15, C 14, and D 13. So we have to complete the following set of Pythagorean Triple. When you see Pythagorean Triple, what should come to your mind is the Pythagoras rule. The Pythagoras rule or theory. Now this can just simply be represented with a what? With a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. Now let's say we have an angle theta here. Let's say we have an angle now. Now this Pythagorean triple, here will be 12 and here will be 5, and we are asked to find what x here. This is a Pythagorean triple, simple representation of a Pythagorean triple. Now we have 12, 5 and x, and like we know, this x here represents the hypotenuse. So therefore, to find the Pythagorean triple, applying the Pythagoras rule, we say x squared is equal to what? 12 squared plus 5 squared. So x squared is equal to what? 12 squared is equal to what? 144 plus 25, and this is equal to x squared is equal to 169. Now to find x, we simply take the square root of x, that's square root of both sides, and then x is equal to square root of x squared is x, and square root of 169 is equal to 13. So x is equal to 13. Now from the options here, options A says 19, which is wrong, B says 15, which is wrong, C says 14, which is wrong, and D says 13, which is correct. So our final answer is D, 13. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 39. In the diagram below, find tan theta. A 4 over 3, B 3 over 4, C 5 over 3, and D 3 over 5. So we are asked to find tan theta in the diagram below. Now this is the diagram. This is the theta, this angle here, this is theta. And you know that when you have a right angle triangle, there are three sides of the right angle triangle in respect to this angle theta here. We have the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse. We have the adjacent, this is the adjacent. Then we have the opposite, that is opposite to the angle, this is the opposite. Now we are asked to find tan theta, and like we know from the mnemonics, so this is tan. So tan theta here is simply giving us opposite all over adjacent, that is opposite over adjacent. Now we have that our opposite here is what, 4, and our adjacent is 3. So therefore tan theta is equal to 4 all over 3. 4 over 3, this is the answer. Now from the options, option A says 4 over 3, which is correct, it corresponds to our answer. B says 3 over 4, which is wrong. C says 5 over 3, wrong, and D says 3 over 5, which is wrong. So option A is the correct answer, 4 over 3. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 41. The sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is dash. A 160, B 180, C 270, and D 360. The sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Now, like you know, regular polygon is a polygon with equal sides. Now let's take, for instance, we have a polygon. Let's take a quadrilateral, for example. A quadrilateral, that is a polygon with 4 sides, and then let's pick maybe a rectangle or a square. Now this is a polygon. We're now asked that the sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is dash. Now you know that a circle or angle at a point is equal to what, or a circle is equal to 360 degree. Now when you look at this quadrilateral or any polygon at all, you will notice that the edges of this polygon can be used to what? To draft out a circle like this. And now if you are to calculate or sum up this angle, it will give you what? 360. It must equate to 360. That is the angle or the exterior angle of any polygon, be it a 6-sided polygon, 5-sided polygon, or 7-sided polygon, must be equal to what? 360 degree, because the edges of this polygon can be used to what? To get a circle. And like you know, the angle in a circle is what? 360 degree. The sum of all these exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degree. And from the options here, option A says was 160 degree, which is wrong. B says 180 degree, which is wrong. C says 270 degree, which is wrong. And D says 360 degree, which is correct. So the final answer to this question is D, 360 degree. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 43. 8 copies of a book cost 16 naira. Find the cost of 5 copies. A 10 naira, B 5 naira, C 3.2 naira, and D 2 naira. So we are given that 8 copies of a book cost 16 naira, and then we have to find the cost of 5 copies. Now 8 copies cost what? Cost 16 naira. 8 copies cost 16 naira. Now we have to find the cost of 1 copy, so that after finding the cost of 1 copy, we can just simply multiply the cost of 1 copy by 5 to find the number of what? The sum the cost of 5 copies. Now we have that 8 copies cost 16 naira, so therefore 1 copy will cost what? 16 naira over 8 divided by 8. That is 16 divided by 8 will give us the cost for 1 copy, and that is what? 2 naira. Now since we have that the cost of 1 copy is 2 naira, we can now find the cost for 5 copies by simply multiplying 5 by 2. So cost for 5 copies is equal to 2 times 5, and this will give us what? 10 naira. So therefore the cost of 5 copies is equals to what? 10 naira. Now from the option here, option A says 10, which is very correct. B says 5, which is wrong. C says 3.2, which is wrong, and D says 2, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is A, 10 naira. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 44. The angle of elevation of the top tower from a point 12 centimeter away from its base is 52 degree. Find the height of the tower. A, you have 10.33 meters. B, 12.83 meters. C, 13.00 meters, and D 15.36 meters. Now let's say the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point is 12 meters. Now let's take a diagrammatic expression of this statement. This is the angle of elevation of the top of tower from a point 12 meters away from its base. Now let's take for instance, this is the tower here. Let's take for instance, this is the tower and this is the base of the tower. Now let's see the angle of elevation from a point 12 centimeters away from its base, meaning that the angle of elevation is 12 centimeters far from the base of this of this tower. So we have something like this. This is the angle here of elevation, and it is 52 degree. Now this is the base of the tower. And I say the distance from the angle of elevation to the base of the tower is what? Is 12 meters. So we have here to be what? Here to be 12 meters. 12 what? Meters. Now this is the height of the tower, which we are asked to find, h. Like we know, this is our angle of elevation. Now applying trigonometry here, we have that what? This is the opposite and here is the adjacent to this angle. So therefore the suitable trigonometry to apply here is what? Is the tan, because tan theta is equal to what? Is equal to opposite all over adjacent, and we have our opposite here to be the h here, and then the adjacent to be the 12 meters, and our theta is what? Is 52 degrees. So therefore we say tan theta, that's tan 52 degree, is equal to h, which is the opposite over adjacent, which is 12. That means h is equal to what? 12 multiplied by tan 52 degree, and this will give us that what? H is equal to 15.36 meters. That is, when you carry out the what? The multiplication of 12 times tan 52, you have 15.36 what? Meters. So therefore 15.36 meter is the height of the tower using what? Using tan, because tan is a suitable trigonometry we can apply. So the answer is 15.36 meters. Now let's check the options that correspond with our answer. Option A says 10.33 meters, which is wrong. B says 12.86, wrong. C says 13, wrong. And D says 15.36, which is correct. So the correct answer to this question is D, 15.36 meters. Remember, we use what? Tan theta. After representing it diagrammatically, we say this is the tower, this is the base, and the distance of the angle of elevation from the base is 12 meters. And then this is the height of the tower, which we are asked to look for. And this height is opposite to the angle of elevation. So we use what? Tan theta, which is equal to opposite over adjacent. So D is our final answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 45. The gradient of a straight line that passes through points A 3, 2 and point B 4, 8 is dash. A 6, B 2, C minus 1 over 2 and D minus 1 over 6. Now we are asked to find the gradient of a straight line. The gradient of a straight line, and the straight line passes through point A, and point A is what? 3, 2, meaning that what? The x-axis you have 3, and on the y-axis you have what? You have 2. Then point B says what? 4, 8, meaning on the x-axis you have what? 4, and on the y-axis you have 8. That's for point B. Now to find the gradient, like we know, the gradient of a straight line is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now they say it passes through point A, so the x here for point A will be x1, and then point B 4, the x here will be x2. Then point A again on the y-axis is 2, so the x for A will be y1, and point B on the y-axis is 8, so the y for the point B is y2. So now we have the x1, x2, y1, y2. So the gradient now will be equal to y2, which is 8, minus y1, which is 2, all over x2, which is what? 4, minus x1, which is 3. So here we have that what? We have 8 minus 2 will give us 6, 4 minus 3 all over 1. So this is equal to 6. So therefore the gradient of this straight line passing through points A 3, 2, that is the x and the y axis, and point B 4, 8, the x and the y axis, is 6. So therefore A is our final answer, 6. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 46. Make R the subject of the formula P plus Q is equals to 5R squared all over 2. A. R is equals to P plus Q over 10. B. R is equals to Q plus P over 10. C. R is equals to square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5. And D. R is equals to 2 all over 5 square root 2 into P plus Q. Now we are asked to make R the subject of the formula. Now we have P plus Q is equal to 5R squared all over 2. That is, let's divide this page to have enough space. We have P plus Q is equal to 5R squared all over 2. Now to remove this 2 from both sides, we simply say what? Multiply. From here we simply say multiply both sides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, and so therefore we have that 2 into P plus Q is equal to what? 5R squared, because when you multiply 2 to this place, this 2, we cancel this 2, so you have 5R squared here. Now to remove this 5 from this place, remember we're trying to make R the subject of the formula. That means we are trying to make R stand alone. So to remove this 5 here, we say, well, divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5, and then we'll have that what? 2 into P plus Q all over 5 is equal to 5R squared over 5. Now this 5, we cancel this 5, so therefore you have 2 into P plus Q close brackets all over what? All over 5 is equal to what? R squared. Remember this 5 has cancelled this 5. Now you have R squared, but what we need is R, not R squared. So to get R, we say what? We take the square root of both sides. Take square roots of both sides, and so therefore you have that what? Square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5 is equals to what? The square root of R squared. Now this square root, we cancel this square, giving you what? R. So therefore we say R is equals to what? To the square root 2 into P plus Q close brackets all over 5. This is the answer. So R is equals to what? The square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5. Now which of these options correspond to our answer? A says R is equals to P plus Q all over 10, which is wrong. B says R is equals to Q plus P all over 10, which is wrong. And C says R is equals to square root 2 into P plus Q all over 5, which is correct. It corresponds to our answer. And D says R is equals to 2 all over 5 square root 2 into P plus Q, which is wrong. So therefore the final answer to this question is option C is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 47. Solve for x in 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. A, x is equal to 6, B, x is equal to 3, C, x is equal to 3 over 2, and D, x is equal to 10. So we have to solve for x in this equation. We have to find x in this equation. 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. 2x plus 7 is equal to 13. Now we have to find x. Now, to solve for x, we remove what? We remove the 7 from here and bring it into the right hand side. And so we say what? Subtract 7 from both sides. Subtract 7 from both sides. And so we have that 2x is equal to 7 minus 7 here will give us what? 0. So 2x is equals to 13 minus 7. Then 2x is equal to what? 6. Now, to find x, we simply divide what? Both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x is what? Is 2. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And this 2, we cancel this 2 here. We have that x is equal to, now 6 divided by 2 will give us what? 3. So x is equal to 3. Now from the options, option A says 6, wrong. B here says 3, which is correct. C says 3 over 2, which is wrong. And D says x equals to 10, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is option B, x equal to 3. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 48. If the range of a set of number is 5 and the highest number is 12, find the least number. A 2, B 7, C 17 and D 18. Now we're given that the range of a set of number is 5 and that the highest number is 2. And like we know, range of a set of number is given as the highest number minus the lowest number. Now we have that the range is equal to 5 and the highest number is equal to 12. Now we are asked to find the least number. And like we know, range is equal to the highest number minus what? Minus the lowest number. And we are asked to find the what? The lowest number. So therefore, to find the lowest number, we simply what? Subtract the range from the highest number. Since the range is equal to the highest minus the lowest number, so to get the lowest number, we subtract this range from the highest number. So the lowest number is equal to the highest number minus the range. And so we have that what? This is equal to, the highest number is 12. This is equal to 12 minus 5. And this will give us what? 7. So therefore the lowest number is 7. That's the least number is 7. From the option A says 2, which is wrong. B says 7, which is correct. C says 17, which is wrong. And D says 18, which is wrong. So option B is the correct answer, 7. So the least number of this set of numbers is 7. Thank you very much and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 49. The bearing of a village A is 45 degrees from another village B. What is the bearing of B from A? A 225 degree, B 45 degree, C 75 degree, and D 180 degree. Now we're given that the bearing of a village A is 45 degree from another village B. Now let's represent this diagrammatically. We have a village A and another village B. Now the bearing of A from B is 45 degree. That means this angle here is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Now this is our north, south, west and east. North, south, west and east. So now we are asked to find the bearing of B, village B, from A. And like we know, to find the bearing of B from A, you have to find this what angle here. This is the bearing. This is the bearing. And now we can divide this angle into two. That is the angle on a straight line, which is 180, and then this angle here, let's call this angle Y. So angle on a straight line, this 180 and this angle y. So therefore we say the bearing of B from A is given as this angle here, 180, as angle on a straight line, degree, plus angle y, this y here. Now, how do we get y? Y is equal to this angle 45 because what? They are alternate angles. Y is equal to 45 degree. This angle here is equal to this angle here. This angle here, this y here. Alternate angles. I'm sure you have seen it in what? In theorems, that's triangular theorems. Alternate angles. So they are equal. And that is why y is equals to what? 45 degree. So therefore the bearing of B from A is equals to 180 degree plus 45 degree. And this is equals to 225 degree. Therefore the bearing of B from A is 225. And the option A corresponds to our answer, 225. So A is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 50. In a school of 200 students, 140 are girls. What percentage of the students are boys? A 60%, B 36%, C 30%, and D 80%. So we have to find the percentage of the students that are boys. Now, the total number of students is equal to 200, and then the number of girls is equal to 140. Then number of boys will be equal to 200 minus 140, which is equal to 60. So in this school there are 60 boys, but the question asks us to find it in percentage. So therefore percentage of boys is given as the number of boys all over total number of students multiplied by 100. That will give us what? The percentage for the number of boys. Now this is equal to, like we know, number of boys is what? 60. Total number of students is what? 200. Then multiply by what? 100. This 20 here, we cancel this 0, and then 60 divided by 2 will give us what? 30. So therefore the percentage of students that are boys is equals to what? 30%. That is, percentage of students that are boys is equal to 30%. Now from the option here, option A says 60%, which is wrong. B says 36, which is wrong. C says 30%, which is correct. And D says 80, which is wrong. So the percentage of students that are boys is what? 30%. Thank you very much and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 51. In a crate of 30 eggs, 12 eggs are bad. What percentage of the egg is good? A 12%, B 25%, C 30%, and D 60%. Now we're given that in a crate we have 30 eggs, meaning the total number of eggs. Total number of eggs is equal to 30. Now out of these 30 eggs, 12 eggs are bad, so number of bad eggs is equal to 12. Now the number of good eggs will be equal to 30 minus the number of bad eggs, which will give us what? 18. That means 18 eggs are good. But the question asks us to find the percentage of eggs that are good. So therefore, percentage of good egg, percentage of good eggs is equal to number of good eggs all over total number of eggs times 100. Remember, it's in percentage. So this is equal to, now number of good eggs is 18 all over total number of eggs, which is 30, multiplied by 100. This 0 here, we cancel this 0. 18 divided by 3 will give us 6, and 6 times 3 will give us what? 60%. So therefore, the percentage of good eggs is equal to 60%. Now from the options, option A says 12%, which is wrong. B says 25%, which is wrong. C says 30%, which is wrong. And D says 60%, which is correct. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 52. A car travels 240 km in 4 hours. Find the average speed. A. 60 km per hour, B. 80 km per hour, C. 140 km per hour, and D. 240 km per hour. Now the speed of the car was given to be 240 km in 4 hours, meaning that the car covers the distance of 240 km in 4 hours. And now we are asked to find the average speed of the car. Now average speed simply refers to the distance covered in 1 hour. Remember, the speed was given to us in 240 km per 4 hours, but the average speed has to be what? The distance covered in 1 hour. Now if the car covers the distance of 240 km in 4 hours, therefore the average speed will be equal to 240 divided by 4 to get the what? To get the speed in 1 hour. And that will be what? That will give us 60 km per hour. Remember, we are asked to find the average speed, that is the distance covered in 1 hour. The car covered what? 240 kilometers in 4 hours. That means it can cover what? 60 kilometers in 1 hour. So therefore the average speed of the car is 240 divided by 4, which will give us what? 60 kilometers per hour. So the answer to this question is option A, 60 kilometers per hour. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 53. A fair coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting a tail? A. 1 over 6, B. 1 over 2, C. 1 over 3, and D. 2 over 3. Now, a fair coin is tossed once. I want you to understand that a fair coin or a coin has two sides. It has two sides. These are the head and the tail. These are the two sides of a coin. Now if the coin is tossed once, the probability of getting a tail, that is the probability of getting one side, will be given as, so therefore the probability of getting a tail is equal to 1 all over 2. Why? This is because now the coin has what? Has two sides. Now you want to find the probability of getting what? Of getting one side, which is the tail. that is 1. So therefore the probability of getting a tail out of the two sides of a coin is simply what? 1 all over 2. And this is 1 over 2. So the probability of getting a tail when a fair coin is tossed once, because the coin has two sides, a head and a tail, is 1 over 2. And from our option A says 1 over 6, which is wrong. B says 1 over 2, which is very correct. C says 1 over 3, which is wrong. And D says 2 over 3, which is wrong. So our correct answer is option B, 1 over 2. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 54. Calculate the value of P if the mean of 5, 3, P and 9 is 6. A, we have 4, B, 5, C, 6 and D, 7. Now we are given the following set of numbers: 3, 5, P, which is an unknown, and 9. Now the mean of these numbers is equals to what? 6, meaning the average of these numbers is 6. And we know that the formula for calculating mean, which is average, is equal to what? The sum of numbers all over what? The total number of numbers. And the total number of numbers, n is equal to what? 4. If you count the numbers 3, 1, 5, 2, P3 and 9, 4. Now we are asked to find P, which is an unknown, but we are given what the mean and other numbers is given. So with this we can say what? Mean, which is 6, is equal to 3 plus 5 plus P plus 9 all over 4, which is the n. So this is equal to 3 plus 5 will give us 8, 8 plus 9 will give us what? 17. It is 17P all over 4. So therefore we say what? 6, which is the mean, is equals to 17P, 17 plus P all over 4. Then we cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you have that what? 4 times 6 is equals to 17 plus P. 4 times 6 will give us 24. 24 is equals to what? 17 plus P. From here we can now say what? We subtract 17 from both sides, and then we have that P is equal to 24 minus 17, and P is equal to 24 minus 17 will give us what? Will give us 7. So therefore P is equal to 7. Now from the options, option A here says what? Option A says 4, which is wrong. B says 5, which is wrong. C says 6, which is wrong, and D says 7, which is correct. So option D is the correct answer, 7. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 55. Which of the following angles can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only? A, 117 degree, B, 105 degree, C, 85 degree, and D, 65 degree. Now we are asked to choose which of these angles can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only, that is without the use of any protractor or other drawing instruments. Now A here says what? Angle 170 degree. Now angle 170 degree cannot be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only. Like, you know, the basic angles are the 30, 45, 60, 90. Now you see these angles, 15 also is part. These angles now can be constructed with a pair of compasses and ruler only, and also by summing these angles together you can get other angles that can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler. But 117 degree here cannot be gotten by summing any of these, so it is wrong. Now B here says 105 degree. Now 105 degree can be gotten by summing 45 degree plus 60 degree. So therefore it is it can be constructed using a pair of compasses and ruler only. Now angle 85 degree. Angle 85 degree can also not be gotten from any of these, so it is wrong. Likewise, 65 degree cannot be gotten from summing any of these, so it cannot be constructed with what? Pair of compass and ruler only. Now from this you see that what? Angle 105 degree can be constructed with a pair of compasses and ruler. This is because it can be gotten from adding what? Any of the basic angles, which is 45 and 60. Now after constructing your 60 degree with pair of compass and a ruler, then you now construct your angle 45 degree. Now summing up these angles will now give you what? It will give you 105 degree. So B is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 56. Find the mean of the given data: 6, 5, 9, 8, 8, 7, 9, 6, 9 and 7. A, we have 5.4, B, we have 6.7, C, 7.4 and D, 8.4. Now we have to find the mean of this given data, and like we know, mean simply means what? Average. When you hear the word mean, it simply means average. So to find the average of these numbers, what do? We definitely sum up these numbers and divide it by the total number of the numbers, that is sum of numbers all over the total number of these numbers, and this total number is usually expressed as n, and like we know, n from here is equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So n is equal to 10. So the mean is equal to the sum of all these numbers, that is 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7. Everything all over 10. Now when you sum up these numbers, it will give you what? It will give you 74 all over 10. Now 74 divided by 10 is equal to 7.4. So therefore the mean of these numbers is equal to 7.4. Now from the options, option A says 5.4, which is wrong, B says 6.7, which is wrong, D says 7.4, which is correct, and C says 8.4, which is wrong. So the answer to this question is C, 7.4. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 57. Find the median of the following set of numbers: 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6 and 8. A, we have 2, B, we have 3, C, 4 and D, 6. So we're to find the median of this following set of numbers: 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now for us to find the median of these numbers, we have to rearrange these numbers. We rearrange them in an orderly manner, that is from the lowest to the smallest to the highest. Now we start with 2, since 2 is the lowest here, so we have 2, we also have another 2, then we have 3, we have 4, another 4, we have 5, 6 and finally 8. Now we've arranged them successfully in an orderly manner. Now for us to find the median, we look for the number which is at the middle number. Now let's count. We have 1, 2, 3 and we have 1, 2, 3. Now the middle number here are these 4, these 2, 4. So therefore we say median, the median is equal to, since we have 2 median here, now we sum them up and find the average. 4 plus 4 all over 2, and this is equals to 8 all over 2, and this will give us 4. So therefore the median of this set of numbers is equal to 4. From the options here, option A says 2, B says 3, which is wrong, and C says 4, which is correct, and D says 6, which is wrong. So our final answer to this question, and the correct answer, is 4, C. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past question 58. Find the difference between the range and the median of the following set of data. We have 12, 5, 11, 7, 5, 3 and 8, and the options given are 1, that's for A, then B we have 2, C we have 5, and D we have 7. Now we have to find the difference between the what? Between the range and the median. Difference between the range and the median. So we are required to what? We are required to find the median first of the range and also the median, and then find the difference between the range and the median, that is to subtract the median from the range. Now simply we know that range is given as what? The highest number minus the least number. And like we know, the highest number from this given set of data is equal to what? Is equal to 12, and the lowest number from this given set of data is equals to what? 3. So therefore range is equal to what? The highest number, which is 12, minus the lowest number, which is 3, and this will give us 9. So range is equal to 9. Now the second part says what? The median. To find the median, we have to rearrange this following set of numbers in an orderly manner, that is from the lowest to the highest. And by doing that, we do what? I said we have to rearrange, and by doing that, what do we have? We have from the lowest, we have 3, we have 5, 7, 8, 11 and 12. Now we find the median, that is the middle number here. This is 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 2, 3. So the middle number here is 7. Therefore median is equal to 7. Now the question says the difference, that is subtraction. So we have to subtract median from the range, and so therefore the range minus median will be equal to 9 minus 7, and this is equal to 2. So therefore the answer is 2. The range minus median, the range is 9 and the median is 7, so the range minus median will give us 2. Option A here says 1, B here says 2, which is correct, C says 5 wrong, and D says 7 wrong. So the correct answer to this question is option B, 2. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past question 59. Which is the mode of the given data below? 7, 9, 6, 5, 6, 6, 9, 8, 6, 7. A we have 5, B we have 6, C 7, and D 9. So we have to find the mode of this given what? Data. Now the data given includes 7, 9, 6, 5, 6, 6, 9, 8, 6, 7. Now mode here simply means what? Number with the data with the most appearance, that is the number that appear most. That is most appearance, or you can simply say what? Number with highest frequency. Number with highest what? Frequency will give us the what? Will give us the mode. Now we have numbers starting from 5 to 9. Let's list out these numbers: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we want to know the frequency, that is number of times this number would appear. Now let's take a look at 5. 5 appear just what? Once. Now 6 appear 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now 7 appeared what? 1, 2 twice. And 8 appeared what? Once. 8 appeared once. Then 9 appeared what? Twice. Now if you look at these figures here, you can see that 6 is the number that appeared what? Most, with 4 appearance. So therefore we say 6 is what? Is the mode of this given data. The mode is equal to 6. That is, 6 is the number with the most appearance, with the highest frequency. So option B is the correct answer, 6. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 60. A trader sold a shirt for 220 naira at a profit of 10%. Find the cost price. A 198 naira, B 200 naira, C 210 naira, and D 1000 naira. So a trader sold a shirt for 220 naira at a profit of 10%, meaning that this is not the original cost of this shirt, since the trader made a profit of 10%. So the profit cost as the profit in percentage is equal to what? 10%. Sold price is equal to 220 naira. Now we are asked to find the what? The cost price, that is the original price of this shirt. Now for us to find the original price of this shirt, we'll find the what? The percentage of this profit in this sold price and subtract it from this sold price. So therefore, to find it, the profits price will be equal to 10 all over 100. Remember, it's in percentage, multiplied by 220. So this 0 will cancel this 0 here, this 0 will cancel this 0, and we have what? 22 naira. So the profit price is 22 naira. Now to find the cost price is now equal to the sold price, which is 220, minus the profit price, which is 22. So therefore the cost price is equals to 198 naira. So 198 naira is the cost price for this shirt. Now from the options here, option A says 198 naira, which is correct. So A is our right answer. The rest are wrong. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 6. Simplify 5x plus 3y plus 3x minus 7y. A, x plus 4y, B, 8x plus 4y, C, 8x minus 4y, and D, x minus 4y. So we have to simplify 5x plus 3y plus 3x minus 7y. Now this is an algebra. These are algebra, and we have to simplify this. And for us to simplify this, we simply what? Collect like terms. We collect like terms. Now remember, we have what? Two unknowns here, the x and the y. So therefore, by collecting like terms, we select those with x together and select those with y together. Now we have that what? 5x plus 3y plus 3x minus 7y. Now to collect like terms, the x will come together, and then what? The y's will come together, so we can simplify them. So therefore we're having 5x what? Plus 3x. 5x plus 3x, and then now the y plus 3y minus 7y. You see what we've done now? We've brought the x together and we've brought the y together. Now 5x plus 3x, because they are like terms, what happens? 5x plus 3x will give us what? 8x. Now 3 plus 3y minus 7y. Now this we have plus 3y, which is what? A positive integer, and we have minus 7y, which is a negative integer. Now plus 3y minus 7y will give us what? Minus 4y. Plus 3y minus 7y will give us what? Minus 4y. So therefore we have that 8x minus 4y. Now why is this so? This is because what? Minus 7y is a negative integer, and so to when you add 3 to minus 7, when you add 3 to minus 7, you have minus 4. And that is why we have what? 5 plus 3x will give us 8x minus 4y. Now, this is our answer. Let's check which of the options corresponds to our answer, which is 8x minus 4y. Now, A here says x plus 4y, which is wrong. B here says 8x plus 4y, it is wrong. Now, C says 8x minus 4y, which is correct. And D says x minus 4y, which is wrong. So our answer to this question is option C. Option C is the correct answer, 8x minus 4y. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 8. Approximate 259.8 to the nearest 10. A, we have 260, B, 2600, C, 26, and D, 259. We have to approximate this number here, 259.8 to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. The number is 259.8. Now, like we know, in the number system, we have the units, we have the tens, we have the hundred, we have the thousands, 10,000s, and so on. And also in the decimal places, also we have them, the tenths, the hundredths. Now, giving each of these numbers their place value, we say, well, this 9 here is units, the 5 here is 10, as in 59, and the 2 here is what? Is 100, as in 200. While the 5 here is 10, as in 50, and the 9 here is units, as in what? As in 9. Now we are asked what to approximate this to the nearest 10. That is what to approximate to the nearest 10. So we are dealing with this what? With this 10 here. And we know that what? In doing approximation, for us to approximate, we either what? We either round up or we round off. So it's either you round up or you round off. Now what do we mean to round up? To round up simply means what? Moving to a what? To a higher 10 or to a higher what? To a higher 100. Take for instance now, you have what? You have something like 6, or you have something like 46, and you have to round up this 46. What will happen? You have what? 50. This is because what? The units which is considered is greater than what? Is greater than 5. Once you have a unit up equal to 5 or greater than 5, you can then round up that unit to the what? To the next what? To the next 10. Like you can see here now, we have 6 as our unit here. Because it is greater than 5, we round up this 6 to 10, thereby giving this 46 50. But in case of round off, you are bringing that thing down. That's what round off simply means. Now take for instance, we have 44. Now you can see that this 44 here, this 4 here, the unit considered is less than 5. So now you cannot what? Round it up to the nearest 10 to give you 50. What do? You round it off to the nearest 10 to give you 40. And so here you have 40 instead of 50. Why? Because the unit being considered here is less than 5. Now let's go to our question. Our question says 259.8. Now let's forget about this point here. We're dealing with the units here now. Now you can see that this unit is 9, and 9 is greater than 5. So therefore what will happen? We'll round up. In this case, we'll round up, not round off. So now for us to round up, since this unit is above 5, what happens? We'll round up this unit to the nearest what? To the nearest 10, thereby giving us what? 60. Thereby turning 59 to what? To 60. And therefore we have what? 260. So this is the answer in nearest 10. The answer is 260. Now let's check our options. Which of these options correspond to our answer? A says 260, which is very correct. B says 2600. No, we're not dealing with thousands here. It's wrong. C says 26, wrong. And D says 259, wrong. So our answer is A, 260. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 9. Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 9. Simplify 1 plus 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. A, we have 2. B, we have 1 over 2. We have one whole number, 1 over 2. C, we have 1 over 2. And D, we have 0.5. The question says simplify 1 plus 1 plus 1 all over 4 divided by 1 over 2. Now we have addition and we have division. Now which do we start with? Now there's a law governing what? Governing simplification in arithmetics, and this law is BODMAS. Is what? BODMAS. And this says what? The brackets of division. This is division. M here stands for multiplication, A here stands for addition, and D stands for subtraction. Now if you look at this, you see that division comes first before what? Addition. So we divide first. So we pick what? We pick division first of all. Now we have what? 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. And now when you know in terms of fraction, when you are about dividing, what do? You simply what? You simply change this your division sign. You simply change the division sign to what? To multiplication sign. When you are doing division in fraction, you change this division sign to multiplication sign. And when changing this division sign to multiplication sign, what happens? You change this to the what? To its reciprocal. That is, you change this other one, this one here, this 1 over 2, to its what? To reciprocal. To its reciprocal. That is, you multiply this now by the reciprocal of this. So in that sense, we have what? 1 all over 4 multiplied by what? The reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2 over 1. So multiply by 2 over 1. And here we have that what? We have that 2 here will give us 1. And 2 here will give us what? 2. So we are having what? 1 all over 2. Now let's come back. Remember, we still have our what? Our 1 here. 1 plus this. Now we have 1 over 2. Now to continue with this one, we have that what? 1 plus 1 over 2. Remember, we did the division first of all. Then now we are coming back to the addition, because in BODMAS division comes before addition. So now 1 plus our answer here, and our answer here is 1 over 2. So 1 plus our answer here, that's 1 plus 1 over 2, is simply equal to what? 1 plus 1 over 2, that is 1 plus half, is equals to 1 and a half. 1 plus 1 over 2 is equals to 1 whole number, 1 over 2. This is a mixed number now. Now which of these options corresponds to our answer? Option A here says 2, it's wrong. B says 1 whole number, 1 over 2, which is correct. C says 1 over 2, it is wrong. And D says 0.5, it is wrong. So our answer to this question is B. Option B is the correct answer. 1 whole number, 1 over 2. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 12. Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question 12. The Roman numeral LXXX3 is equal to dash. A, we have 93. B, we have 90. C, we have 83. And D, we have what? 73. Now we have to express this Roman numeral into what? Into our numbers. And like we know, Roman numeral is simply what? A system adopted by the Roman what? By the Romans, in which numbers are represented in capital letters, whereby your 1 is represented as I, your 5 is represented as V, your 10 is represented as X. So therefore 20 will be given as what? As XX. Here 50 is given as what? As L. 100 is given as C, and so on. So this is the Roman system. They write numbers in capital letters. They use capital letters to represent numbers. Now we are given the Roman numeral L X X X I, and we are asked to find its equivalent in numbers. Now for us to do this, we'll do simply what? We'll simply break this down. Now the first we have here is the what? Is the L. L. Then we have the what? X, that is 310. So we have the 1, 2, 3. And then we have the I, 3 I, that's I. Now, L here is equal to what? L is 50. In the Roman numeral, L stands for 50. So we have what? 50. Now, X in the Roman numeral stands for what? Stands for 10. And so therefore, when you have what? 3x, that is 3 times 10, then you have what? 30. Now, I in the Roman numeral stands for 1. So therefore, you have what? 3I, that's I, is what? It represents 3. So now let's add this up. What will it give us? 0 plus 0 plus 3 will give us 3. And 5 plus 3 will give us 8. So therefore, LXXX I in Roman numeral is equal to 83. Now, when we look at the option A says 93, which is wrong. B says 90, which is wrong. And C says 83. 83 is the correct answer because it corresponds to our answer here. And D says 73, which is wrong. So the correct answer to this question is C, 83. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past question 13. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 4? A. 245, B. 673, C. 524, and D. 169. So we have to find the number out of this option which is divisible by 4, meaning that we have to find a number here in which 4 is a factor of that number. And like we know, a factor of a number simply means what? Number that can go into that number without a remainder. What I mean is that let's say we have a number x and we have to find the factor of x. It simply means what? Numbers that will go into this x without any remainder. And so now we are asked to find a number here among this option in which 4 is a factor of that number. Now we have to pick each of these options and check. We have to pick each of them and check. Now let's start with what? Let's start with 245. 245 divided by 4. Now let's start. 204 in 24. Let's pick here. 4 in 24 here will give us what? Will give us 6. Now I left with what? With 5. Can 4 go into 5 without a remainder? No. It will definitely what? Go into 5 once, remaining what? Remaining 1. So therefore, it is wrong. 245 is not what? It's not a factor. It's not divisible by 4. That is 4 is not a factor of 245. Now let's pick the next number, which is what? 673. 673. Now we're going to check if 673 can divide what? 4. So 673 all over 4. Now 4 here, 1. 4 will go into what? 67. How many times? 4 will simply go into 67 16 times. 16 times, and that will be what? 64. 4 will go into what? 7. 16 times 16, and that is what? 16 times, and that is 64. 16 times 4 is what? Is 64. Now we are left with what? We are left with 3 from this 7, because 7 minus 67 minus 64 will give us what? Will give us 3. So we are left with what? 33 now. Now 7 will go into 33. How many times? 7 will go into 33 9 times. 9 times. Remaining what? Remaining. No, sorry, 7 will go into 33 8 times. Remaining 1. Remaining 1. You see now we have a remainder of what? Of 1. Meaning that 673 is not divisible by what? It's not divisible by 4. It's not divisible by 4. Now the next option here says what? 524. 524 over 4. Now 524 over 4. Let's pick what? Let's pick this 52. 52 we divide 4 how many times? 13 times. 52 we go and 4 we go into 52. 13 times. 13 times 4 will give us 52. Now 4 we go into this 4 once. That's 131. You see, remainder 0. You have no remainder. That means what? 524 is divisible by what? Divisible by 53 because you have 131. So C here is correct. Now let's look at option D. Option D says what? 169 over 4. Now 4 we go into 16 how many times? 4 times. Remainder 0. But 4 we go into 9 how many times? 2 times. Remainder what? 1. Meaning that 4 can meaning that 169 is not divisible by 4. That is 4 is not a factor of 169. So option D is wrong. You can now see when we say a number is divisible by a number, it means that this number, this 4, is a factor of that particular number. And it means that this 4 must go into that number without a remainder. And like you can see, 245, 4 will go into 245, what? 61 times with a remainder of 1. So it is wrong. 673, 4 will go into 673, 168 times, remainder 1. So it is wrong. 524, 4 will go into 524, 131 times without a remainder. So it is correct. And this is 169, 4 will go into 169, 169 how many times? 42 times with remainder what? 1. So it is wrong. So our final answer here is C, 524. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, Question 14. The HCF of 12, 28 and 7 and 60 is dash. The HCF of 12, 28 and 60 is dash. A 16, B 12, C 4 and D 24. And like we know, HCF simply means what? HCF simply means highest common factor. And now I'm going to explain. Highest common factor simply means what? We know that factor of a number is the numbers that can go into that number without a remainder. Then common factors means that what? Factor of 12, which is also a factor of 28 and also a factor of 60. Then highest common factor simply means what? The common factors of these numbers, which is the highest. That is the number that can go into each of these numbers without a remainder, and that can go into all of these numbers, and is the highest which can go into these numbers without a remainder. Now, for us to find the HCF of following set of numbers, there are things we need to consider. Number one thing we need to consider is that what? We have to express these numbers as products of their what? Prime factors. Express as products of prime factors. And like we know, prime factors are simply what? The factors of these numbers which are prime numbers. And prime numbers are numbers that just have what? 2 factors, that is 1 and themselves. Example is 2, 3, 5. Then the second thing you need to consider is that what? Now you now pick the what? You now select the common factors, that is this common what? Prime factors. You now select the common prime factors. You select the common prime what? Prime factors. Those are the two things we consider. And now if the common prime factor is 1, you choose 1. If it's more than 1, you multiply. So first we express them as products of their prime factors. Now let's start with 12. 12 now, to express 12 as product of its prime factor, it means that we shall express 12 as product of factors which are prime number. And the lowest prime number is 2. So we start from the lowest prime number and we check if what? 2 can go into 12. So 2 will go into 12 how many times? 6 times. So we write 2 times. Now we check again if 2 can go into what? Into 6, because 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. We check if 2 can go into 6, and 2 can go into 6 what? 3 times. So we still write 2 again times. Now remember, it's 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Now 2 cannot go into 3, so we move to the next what? Prime number, which is 3, and 3 will go into 3 once. So we write what? 3. Therefore 2 times 2 will give us 4, and 4 times 3 will give us 12. The next is 28. Now we start with the lowest prime number, which is 2. 2 can go into 28, yes, 14 times. So we write it 2 times. Now we're left with 14 here. 2 can still go into what? 14 7 times. We write it down, the 2 times. Now we're left with 7 here. 2 cannot go into 7. We move to the next prime number, which is 3. 3 cannot go into 7. We move to the next prime number, which is 5. 5 cannot go into 7. And we move to the next prime number, which is 7. 7 can go into 7 once. So we write down 7. So 4 times, and 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 times 7 will give us 28. Now the next is what? 60. Now we start with the lowest prime number, which is 2. 2 will go into 60 30 times. So write down the 2 times. Now we have 30. 2 can still go into 30 15 times. So write down the 2 times. Now we're left with 15 here. 2 cannot go into 15. Then we move to the next prime number, which is 3. 3 will go into 15 5 times. So we write down 3 times. Now we are left with 5. And 3 cannot go into 5. So we move to the next prime number, which is 5. And 5 will go into 5 one time. So we write down 5. Now we've successfully what? Expressed them as products of their prime factors. The next thing now is what? Select the common prime factors. Now which of these prime factors are common? The common prime factors here is what? C2 is common here, it is common here, and also common here. So we select what? Prime factor. So we say HCF is equals to what? We have the first 2. Now we check again, is there any other common prime factor? This is common, it's here also, and here also. So 2 times 2. Now we check again, is there any common one? We have 3 here, but we don't have 3 here, and we have 3 here, so it's not common. We have 7 here, but 7 is not present in all. We have 5, but it's not present in all. So the common prime factors is what? These 2 here and these 2. So therefore we have 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. So therefore 4 is the highest common factor of 12, 28, and 60. Now from our options, which of these correspond to our answer? A says 16, which is wrong. B says 12, wrong. C says 4, which is correct, and D says 24, which is wrong. So C is our correct answer, 4. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 15. The product of two numbers is 480. If one of them is 8, find the other. A, we have 75. B, we have 60. C, 45. And D, 25. The product of two numbers is 480. This is just a simple word problem which can be represented in equation. Now, one of the number is given to be 8. We have to find the other. Now, let the other number which you are looking for, let it be x. Now we have that 8 times x will give us what? 480. 8 times x is equals to 480. This is the same as saying 8x is equals to 480. Now to find x, we divide x by the we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. So therefore 8 we cancel 8, we have x is equals to, now 8 here is 1, and 8 and 480 is equals to 60. So x is equals to 60. So therefore the other number is equal to what? 60. From our option A here says 75, which is wrong. B says 60, which is correct. C says 45, which is wrong, and D says 25, which is wrong. So our final answer is B, 60. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 16. What is the additive inverse of 0.076? What is the additive inverse of 0.076? A minus 0.076, B 0.076, C 7.6, and D 76. So we are asked to find the additive inverse of 0.076. Now the first thing that will come to your mind is that what is additive inverse? Now additive inverse of a number is the number that will be added to that particular number which will give us what? 0. What do I mean? Additive inverse of a number x, let's take for instance we have the number x. Now additive inverse of a number x is the number which when added to x will give us what? 0. Now you can get. So now we have to look for a number that when we add this the number to this 0.076, it will give us what? 0. And like we know now, 0.076 is a positive integer. 0.076 is a positive integer. Now the easiest way for us to get a number that we can add to what? 0.076 that will give us 0 is by adding what? A negative integer, and adding a negative value that is equivalent to what? To this positive value. Now when we add minus 0.076 now, we'll now have what? This plus times minus give us what? Minus. We'll now have 0.076 minus 0.076, and this is equal to 0. You can see. So for you to find the additive inverse of any number, once the number is a positive number, just add the negative of that particular number. And if the number is a negative number, just add the positive of that particular number to give you what? 0. And that number is the additive inverse. Like here now, the additive inverse of this 0.076 is minus 0.076, because when you add minus 0.076 to 0.076, what? They will cancel it out each other, and you have what? You will have 0. So our answer now is minus 0.076, which is A. A is the right answer. The other options are wrong. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 17. Express 9 grams in kilogram. A 0.009 kg, B 0.09 kg, C 0.9 kg, and D 900 kg. So we have to express 9 grams in kilogram. And like we know, 1 kilogram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Now we are asked to find what? To find 9 grams. So x in kilogram is equal to what? 9 gram. Now let's cross multiply. We'll have that what? When we cross multiply, this 1 kg here will multiply what? We'll multiply this 9 gram here. So therefore we'll have that 1 times 9 will give us what? 9 is equal to what? 1000 times x. So therefore to find x, we say what? X is equal to 9 divided by 1000. So x is equal to 9 all over 1000. And the 9 divided by 1000 will give us what is equal to 0.009. So therefore x is equal to 0.009 kilogram. That is 9 grams in is equal to what? 0.009 kilogram. So 9 grams is equal to 0.009 kilogram. Now which of these options corresponds to our answer? A says 0.09 kilogram, which is correct. B says 0.09 is wrong. C says 0.9 wrong, and D says 900 wrong. Remember I said 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Therefore, to express 9 gram in kilogram, we divide this 9 by 1000. And dividing it by 1000, we have what? 0.009. And because of that, we say A corresponds to our answer, and A is our right answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.